Are you ready to do some reading? Ready to read? What does that say?
No.
Good job. What does that say? Good job.
Yeah.
What does that say?
Boy, I don't see it.
I'll show you in a minute. What does that say?
Tree.
Good reading, big girl. Oh, here's a tricky one. What does that say?
Purple.
Good job. What does that say?
Willow.
Little Ray. What does that say?
Sit.
Sit. Good one. What about that? What does that say?
Dog.
Dog. Right. What does that one say? Hot. Good. What does that say?
Egg.
Egg. Is this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does that say? White. Good. What does that say?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, here's a big one. What does that say?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Good job. What does that say?
Yellow.
Yellow. All done, or do you want to do more?
All done.
All done? Okay. Bye-bye.